What's up YouTube? Thanks for stopping by to check on the status of my mustache. I'm just kidding. Today we're going to talk about Boho Vans, an Arizona-based van builder who's absolutely exploded. They've gotten a ton of press, most notably local news stations, as well as being on, you guessed it, Shark Tank, where they inked a deal with Barbara for over $300,000. They've used that money to expand their shop, as well as hiring a ton of additional staff. Another really cool thing that happened to Boho was their partnership with Tom Green, who discovered the brand, bought a van, and started a YouTube channel traveling all around documenting his experiences. He went on the Joe Rogan show and plugged Boho, which was huge for them.
They're gonna take a shit right now. They're probably really happy that I'm mentioning them.
They've also gotten involved in a lot of charitable causes, most notably with Four Peaks Brewing Company and a partnership with electric e-bikes. Now let's talk a little bit about their vans. Boho builds on a Dodge ProMaster. If you haven't seen my video yet for ProMasters, check it out. Their use of wood grain on the walls and ceiling has become synonymous with the Boho brand. Now they only offer one floor plan, but you're able to choose the color and style of your wood, as well as customizing the backsplash and other kitchen accessories. You've got nice bench seating that also doubles as a dining room table, and if wood grain really isn't your thing, you can also do a painted interior. The van also provides a lot of storage, which is a must-have for life on the road. Under the seats is where you'll find the refrigerator, as well as a cassette toilet. The other thing I really like is the fold-down countertop. They offer a few customizations as well, my favorite being the optional third-person seating. Another important aspect which Boho nails perfectly is the interior electrical wire. This all should look very clean, and it should be easy to identify which wire is for what. If a van builder you're interested in buying from does not wire their vans quite like this, I'd be a little skeptical about purchasing from them. The Boho van will run you around $38,000 for the build out. Now you can either bring them a van or you can buy one from one of their partner dealerships. It takes them about 5 to 6 weeks to complete a build. If you're interested in buying a Boho van, go to boho.life or find them on Instagram at Boho Vans. Tell them you heard about them on the Only Vans show. I also link to their merchandise, so if you want to support them and you can't quite afford a van yet, click that link too. Please smash that like button or leave a comment below.